New just listed home, 7322 Stonehaven Court Unit 7322, Pinellas Park, Florida. By McKenna Hale from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home on 1,500 square feet of charming space in a cozy, well-managed area. Inside, the open concept living and dining spaces connect seamlessly to a kitchen boasting solid wood cabinetry and stone counters. The layout features a peaceful primary suite designed as a private retreat, plus 2 additional generously sized bedrooms located on the upper level. These are served by 2 full bathrooms, with a convenient half bath on the main floor for guests. Step outside to enjoy your private balcony and patio, a setup that includes all essential utilities. Contact us and make it yours.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.